Hello students, I am Sonali. Welcome to the channel Success Edutech. Today we are going to learn remaining MCQs of the lesson Plan Growth and Development. It is in continuation. So please watch the complete video. We will see MCQ. Which of the following activities in plant is not regulated by growth promoter hormone? That is flowering, then fruiting, then fruit fall and then seed formation. Answer is fruit fall. Which of the following group is not a plant growth promoter? Gibberellins, abscisic acid, auxins and cytokine. Answer is abscisic acid. Plant responses to wound and traces of biotic and abiotic origin such as dormancy and abscission are regulated by gibberellin, abscisic acid, auxin and cytokine. And answer is abscisic acid. Then the plant growth regulator that acts as a growth inhibitor plays an important role in a plant responses to wound and traces through tropic growth, leaf abscission, fruiting and seed formation and the flowering. Answer is leaf abscission. Plant hormone that can act both as a promoter and inhibitor is abscisic acid, then ethylene, then cytokinin, then gibberellin. And answer is ethylene. The conclusion that from observation that coleoptile of canary grass responded to unilateral illumination by growing towards the light source is that the side away from the light was the site of transmittable influence, tip of coleoptile was the site of transmittable influence, the side facing the light was the site of transmittable influence, and the chemical diffused from the distant source and the cause bending. And the answer is the tip of coleoptile was site of transmittable influence. Each and I explained each and every MCQs in the previous video, so please watch my previous videos. Link is given in the description. Auxin was isolated from tips of coleoptile of canary grass, tips of coleoptile of oat seedling, tips of coleorhiza of oat seedling, and the last one is tips of coleorhiza of canary grass. Answer is tip of coleoptile of oat seedling. Auxin was isolated by F. Darwin, F. W. Wayne, E. Kurosawa, and E. School. Answer is F. W. Wayne. Identify a synthetic oxygen out of following: indole 3-acetic acid, indole butyric acid, then 2,4-D, and then abscisic acid. Answer is 2,4-D. In a laboratory, stem cutting are prepared. Now, which of the following plant growth regulator will be best suited for the formation of root? Indole 3-acetic acid, gibberellic acid, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Answer is indole 3-acetic acid. Which of the following is not regulated by auxin? That is rooting, flowering, then abscission of the immature fruit, abscission of the mature fruit. And answer is abscission of immature fruit. Auxin promotes growth of lateral bud, then growth of apical bud, then growth of axis and the growth of lateral branch. And the answer is growth of apical bud. Now, seedless tomatoes are prepared by application of auxin, then gibberellin, then ethylene, and abscisic acid. And the answer is auxins. Application of 2,4-D can kill monocot weed, grasses, then dicot weed, then bamboo. Answer is dicot weed. Auxin was first isolated from yeast extract, human urine, coconut milk, vascular tissue. Answer is human urine. Auxin is synthesized in from where they migrate to the region of their action. Answer is xylem phloem, then growing pieces of stem and root, then floral bud, and then older roots. And the answer is growing apices of stem and root. The phenomenon of growing apical bud inhibiting the growth of the lateral bud is called bolting, apical dominant, plasticity, and dormancy. Answer is apical. Decapitation results in the improvement in the yield of tea plantation because of loss of gibberellin, abscisic acid, auxin, and cytokine. Answer is auxin. Plant hormone useful to prepare weed-free lawn is gibberellin, abscisic acid, then auxin, then cytokine. Answer is auxin. Next, fungal pathogen Gibberella fusicuri causes decay of rice seedling, short stems of rice seedling, Excessive flowering in oats, leaf fall in oats. Answer is Becken of rice seedling. The Becken disease of rice seedling was caused by yeast, Gibberella fusarium, then blue-green algae fertilizer. And answer is Gibberella fusarium. What is the nature of Gibberella fusarium? Fungus, then algae, then bacteria, and then virus. And the answer is fungus. Gibberella do not promote bolting in wheat, sugarcane, cabbage, and all of the above. Answer is sugarcane. Productivity of sugarcane depends on flower content, length of internode, thickness of epidermis, leaf size. Answer is length of internode. Then, in some conifers, maturity period is reduced by application of GA to 4D ethylene abscisic acid. Answer is GA. How many gibberellins are found in plants? More than 100, less than 100, more than 150, less than 150. Answer is less than 100. One of the first gibberellin to be discovered and remain the most intensively studied form is GA0, GA1, GA2, GA3. Answer is GA3. Then, which of the following event in plant is not achieved by gibberellin? Delay in senescence, elongation, improvement in shape of fruit, reduce the market period of fruit, and increase in length of fruit stalks. Answer is reduce the market period of fruits. Gibberellins do not help to improve the shape of apple fruit, increase in length of sugarcane stem, then promote seed dormancy and promote bolting. And the answer is promote seed dormancy. Then, market period of some fruits can be extended by the application of auxin, gibberellin, then ethylene, then abscisic acid. Answer is gibberellin. What is bolting? Elongation of internode just prior to flowering, elongation of internode just after to flowering, elongation of internode just prior to fruiting, elongation of internode just after to fruiting. Answer is elongation of internode just prior to flowering. Cytokinin were first isolated from coconut extract, herring sperm DNA, older roots of guava, human urine. And the answer is herring sperm DNA. Cytokinin are not synthesized in root apices, then developing shoot buds, then sensation leaves and the young ones. And the answer is sensation leaves. From corn, kernels and coconut milk has cytokinin-like activities. Zeatin, kinetin, then indole acetic acid, then ethefone. Answer is zeatin. Cytokinin do not help to produce new leaves, chloroplast in leaves, adventitious shoot formation. Last one is apical shoot formation. And the answer is apical shoot growth. Cytokinin promote nutrient metabolism, nutrient mobilization, which helps in falling of leaves, delay of leaf ascension, then ripening of fruit and root formation. Answer is delay of leaf ascension. Kinetin does not occur naturally in plants, animals, fungi and algae. And the answer is plants. Does not occur naturally in plants. Zeatin, then indole acetic acid, then kinetin and the ethefone. Answer is kinetin. So students, in this video 100 MCQs are completed. Please do the practice of all MCQs. Please find out the reason behind each and every answers of MCQs, which is you can find in the previous videos. Thank you very much.